Hello my YouTube family, here's a gorgeous hairstyle tutorial for you. Take a small section of hair, secure it, divide it into two parts and twist them round like this. Now secure and make a bun. Secure the bun with elastic band. Now take another small section and repeat the same process with that. Now divide the remaining hair into two parts and make two braids and secure them. Now cross them and bring them up, placing at both sides of the buns and secure them up on the upper bun. And you are done with your lovely hairstyle. Hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.